Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, let's check out the V88 HD camera UAV. This is around $20 to $40 range, I would say, depending on where you buy it. It's available online. Let's get right into it. Hope you're all doing well. Thanks for watching. That's really all that's on the box. Looks like it says HD camera lens, folding fuselage, optical flow positioning, large capacity battery, obstacle avoidance, 50 times zoom, speed control, and gesture manipulation. Okay. Okay, so we get the transmitter. This opens up. Whoops, that way. You put your phone in there. Takes 3 AA's. There's the on switch. Folding drone. Front arms first, back arms second. You have to pose the camera manually. It's your bottom facing camera. You have the obstacle avoidance, infrared on 3 sides. Then you have tail lights, headlights right here. No landing light on this one. It is brushed motor. There's the power button. Okay. Looks like we get 2 batteries. There's your charging point, or charger port. Get charging cable, USB, micro USB. Plug that into your adapter or your computer, however you want. You get spare props, a screwdriver, and prop guards. Your instruction manual, your app manual. Tells you what the app does. You have a barcode so you can get the manual, and then a barcode for the app itself. User manual. Lots of info there. Set this to the side. Thirsty. All right. So, put the tab down, press it until it clicks. You want to put the drone down on a level surface facing away from you, and you where you're going to start it up, you just turn on the power on the drone first, then the control, and then slide the stick all the way up and then all the way down on the left. Let's go over the controls real quick. So we have on the left stick, up is to take off or ascend, down is to land or descend, left is spin, right is spin. So you have left spin, right spin. Looks like obstacle avoidance here, top corner. Speeds, we'll find out how many you have. There's takeoff and land. 360 flips, or no, this is 360 flips. That's gyro calibration. Headless mode, or no, this is headless mode. And then that's your trim adjustments. And nothing else. Okay, the right stick is right sideward flight, left sideward flight, forward flight, and backward flight. And then the power on and off. Nothing under there. Okay, let's go ahead and power on the drone. I'll show you how you connect that. Just long press the power button till your lights start to flash. There's no beeps on this one. Turn the power on and then slide your throttle stick up all the way, then down all the way. Now you're paired with the drone. Okay, so in order to hook your phone app up, you have to use RCFPV. RCFPV. So we're going to go into the Wi-Fi. Long press our Wi-Fi icon. There it is, Wi-Fi 8K 375C1C. Let's go ahead and open that up, or select that one. We're going to wait for a notification because there's no internet. It's going to ask if we want to stay connected. We'll answer yes. I'll show you. Tap this, and then it'll ask you if you want to stay connected. Hit yes. Okay, then we can exit out of that. And then we'll go to RCFPV. You can find that on Google Play or use the barcode and get it from China direct on their website. It's safe. Okay, and you hit start and you'll see what the drone's seeing. There is no SD card on this drone, so it's just Wi-Fi transmission only. Hope you guys can see that okay. Latency isn't too bad. For a cheap drone, you can't hardly beat that. Okay, let's look at the control functions on the app here. Okay, there's to take a picture. Take a snapshot. Take a little bit of video with that button. Go ahead and stop the video. Here's gallery, so we'll be able to find the pictures and videos that we just took. Okay, that's to switch to the bottom camera, I believe. Yep, so there's the bottom facing camera. This is a brushed motor drone, if I didn't say that already. Looks like you can change the speeds maybe on there, or that's either zoom or change the speeds, and you can reverse the picture. You can control it with the app. Let's go ahead and flip the camera back to the front one. In here. Okay, looks like you can add music or edit the videos a little bit. Alright, I'm going to set this off to the side. I'll show you how to start the motor. Just simply press up on the stick and then down to stop it. But if you wanted to take off manually that way, just press up again on the stick once you've started the motor and you'll take off. And then down to land, or to drop or lower the drone to descend. Okay, I'm going to show you a little flight demo here inside, and then later on I'll do an outside flight video for you and share that with you. All right, just give me a second and I'll get you that video.